The Global Positioning System, or GPS, provides location information anywhere on Earth. It was created and is maintained by the US government, and anyone with a GPS receiver can use it for free. GPS is used for various different purposes, ranging from commercial to military applications. GPS receivers have now been integrated to most smartphones, making them commonplace. Scientists have many specialized uses for GPS. One fascinating area of research uses GPS to track movements of animals. It is now possible to manufacture a small GPS device that is solar charged, so you don't need to change batteries, and use it to track flight patterns of birds. In this case study, we will introduce you to manipulating, examining, and visualizing GPS data used to tracking birds in this way. The data for this case study comes from the LifeWatch INBO project. Several datasets have been released as part of this project. We will use a small dataset that consists of migration data for 3 gulls named Eric, Nico, and San. The CSV file contains 8 columns and includes variables like latitude, longitude, altitude, and timestamps. In this case study, we'll first load the data, visualize some simple flight trajectories, track flight speed, learn about date time, and much more. We have made the file birdtracking.csv available to you on the course site. So all we need to do is read it in using pandas. As usual, we'll start by importing pandas. I'm going to call my data frame bird data. We'll read that in using pandas read CSV function. The file is called birdtracking.csv. We can look at some basic info about the data frame by typing birddata.info. In this case, we get a brief summary about the columns contained in the dataset. We also learned that this dataset contains approximately 62,000 entries. We can look at the top of the dataset by using the head function. In this case, we get the first 5 rows of the dataset. If you've never seen data like this before, it's worth taking a moment to examine the data frame in a little bit more detail.